Hey, it's Scott coming to you live here from my media room in my home in Sugarloaf here. I just love this is my think tank. So first, smash the subscribe, hit the bell. I'm going to show you right here. You all know, or if you don't know, this has been paying me now every single week for 3 years straight, and this is just the icing on the cake here. Okay, there's so much more that this has to offer. So this is a system that every business needs. So make sure you smash the subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any videos from me here. So no matter what business you're in, you need the system that has a done for you link, right? Done for you pages. So you have capture pages to capture your leads. You have a place where your leads are organized. You have a place right here where your leads for your team. So there's a place for everybody here, okay? There's a place for everybody here, and I wanted to show you that you need this, and for the price of this to run a business, it's absolutely crazy. $49 a month, and we have optional income streams, which I'm going to show you now because it's very important. Once you have a funded proposal, which this is, that everybody needs, you want to be able to show them something that's going to make them more money, okay? And everyone out there, I know you want to make more money. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into my business here. And don't worry, a bonus for getting started with me, a multiple income funnel. I'm going to set up all these income streams here for you. I just need you to send me your links. So this way, all you have to do is put your information and your names and all that, and I'll take care of the rest here. So make sure you email me, scottsbonuses@gmail.com, so we can set up a time to get that information from you. So here we go. So what I'm going to do, and I'll repeat it at the end, I'm going to go view income streams here because I want to show you what your next steps are. So you know the title of the video is Make Money Online 2024. Now, if you follow my success of my strategies here, you're going to make money online in 2024. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is an actual business that you can work 1 hour a day to start. And if you have extra time, dig into all the training and resources that we have in here, which I suggest starting the 7 steps to MIF in the training tab right here, okay? That would be up that way, all right? But first off, the first step to get started, and you're going to get a bonus from me for that, is to when you join multiple income funnel at yearly or annual, I'm going to give you a $100 spot and 200 leads in my Powerline Hub. Yes, you heard me right. And there's no need for me to show you that. That's what I'm going to give you just for the speed of this video, because after all, it's a simple video, right? How to make money online 2024. And I'm showing you this. And I showed you it was proven already. So after you watch this video here, it's going to explain to you everything that's about this simple back office system that does all the selling and telling for me. You're going to go to step 2. You're going to set up your income streams. Now, when you set up income stream number 1, that's multiple income funnel. You're going to either choose annual or you're going to choose monthly. I tell everyone to give your business a year, and this way you don't have to worry about monthly fees because you're going to be working your business long term. Again, I've been with this for 3 years now, okay? I've been with this for 3 years. So you're going to set that up. Once you're set up here, you're going to make sure you follow the steps that's going to be under income stream number 1. This will have checked, and then we're going to go on over to income stream number 2, okay? Now, what's income stream number 2? Income stream number 2 is a way you can make money where they make the phone calls for you. So the call to action is to click here for more info after watching this video. And once you watch this 14-minute video, you're going to be able to find out how you could tap into $800, $2,400, and $4,000 commissions that they make for you. Yes, they call your leads, and guess what? Multiple income funnel, income stream number 1, right, folks, right here. This is what's going to show 24/7, 365, folks. The multiple income funnel system, which is income stream number 1 that you already set up right here, okay? And now we're on it, is going to show your income stream number 2, right? Right here. And guess what it's going to do, folks? People are going to watch this video, and then they're going to read this online consistent money, and they're tapping the $800, $2,400 commissions that we make for you. And folks, they're going to click on this here that I'm going to set up for you as a bonus. Yes, that is 100% true. I just need your login credentials for MIF, and we can do that through scottsbonuses@gmail.com. But I'm going to click here to learn more, and guess what happens here, folks? It's going to take you to a page, And I want to show you this page specifically because you're going to get the same page for me to help you copy and paste back there in your multiple income funnel. And right over here, you can see there's a call to action. So there's no need for me to explain this for you. I just wanted to show you the call to action. When you call this number right here, the 800 number, you leave a message, tell them Scott Darvitz sent you. But this isn't for that. This is for multiple income funnel. And this is just happens to be one of the income streams in here. Now, what I really want to focus on income stream number 2 is if you get started at 800, you're getting 100 traffic clicks from me from income stream number 4, which is traffic authority. And I'm going to send that's premium traffic that's built my list over the years and is responsible now for me getting paid every week for over 3 years. Okay. I'm going to send 100 clicks from you. Okay. I'm going to split it with me. So we're going to do a basic pack together. Now, the 24 to your multiple income funnel link, folks. Yes, you heard me correct. To your multiple income funnel link, which is right over here. You're going to get the capture page like this. This is the one I want you to send me, and you're going to put your name. Others are going to put their name, but this is where you're going to go. Let's get back on over into the multiple income funnel back office. And you're going to get, so if you start with me at 800, and if you go annual, and if you actually start with me at all in the multiple income funnel, whether it's monthly or annual, I'm going to give you right here, income stream number 3, you're going to be $100 eligible, okay? You're going to get 200 leads. Let's go back to income stream number 2. Can't you see how easy this is to navigate? If you come on board with me to generate $2,400 in commissions that multiple income funnel and the OCM team makes for you, all right? I'm going to send you 200 clicks of traffic from income stream number 4, okay? And this here's another income stream, again, optional, but highly recommended. And I'm going to send you 200 clicks from there. And I'm going to give you a $250 spot in the, platinum, you're getting a $500 spot in the multiple income funnel. If you do the $800 commissions in income stream number 2, you're going to get 100, okay? And now if we go back over here to income stream number 2, now if you tap into the $4,000 commissions that we, OCM, the team there, and multiple income funnel, the system that shows them everything, okay? Shows them through all this, all right? You start there, you're going to get all in my Powerline Hub, meaning you're going to be able to make additional $1,000 commissions. And guess what? Multiple income funnel, income stream number 1 is going to do all that work. When I send traffic to your links that are right over here, folks, when I send traffic to your links that are right up here, when you can see where my mouse is pointed and I can go a little closer, I'm not going to click on there because for the speed of the video. But the link's there, your link, I'm going to send out with income stream number 4, folks. And guess what's going to happen? They're going to see your multiple income funnel. They're going to pay you $20 a month or $200 for the year. They're going to see your income stream number 2. And they're going to pay you instant $100 or $2,400 or $4,000 commissions. And they're going to see, and this is if you went all in on this, you're going to see $1,000 commissions coming in from income stream number 3. Now, folks, it doesn't get any better than this. So your next steps is to go to the link in the description, smash the subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a video again. Also see the pinned comment. That'll also get you back here to get your income stream set up. And to claim your bonuses, you're going to want to go to, let me go to my notes right here. We're going to go to a notepad. You're going to want to you're going to email Scott's bonuses at gmail.com. And what that'll do is we'll get that email within 24 to 48 hours while you're setting up your multiple income funnel right here, especially starting in the training tab, or if you can copy and paste. Either way, we are going to send you that information, the copy and paste. And if you can't do it, just simply reply back with, hey, Scott, can you set it up for me with your login credentials? Yep. If you want me to set it up for me. All right. So that's it. All right, folks. Make sure you smash the subscribe, hit the bell, and I look forward to connecting with you when I see you inside the system. Bye for now.